quick release knobs are used to replace the M10 bolts in the side uprights and side top sections of the Fishmaster T-Top. This allows you to quickly and easily raise and lower your T-Top without the use of tools. First, remove the two M10 bolts from each of the 4 side upright legs. Always leave the hinge bolt in, which is on the front of the side upright legs. After removing the 8 bolts, put one quick release knob in the top hole of each leg. There will be one open hole on each leg. One quick release knob provides plenty of strength to hold the sections together. Next, on the side section of each side of the T-Top top section, there are 3 bolts. Remove the 2 outside bolts and leave the center bolt. The center bolt is the hinge bolt. Put a quick release knob on each side of the center bolt. The installation of your quick release knobs is now complete.